Hey everybody, welcome back. On today's video, I am building a 12 by 20 lean-to shed. This is going to be like my shop, my little tool shed where I keep all my stuff. I'm very excited about this. I am not a carpenter. This is a true DIY shed build. You guys are watching part one. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. So the first thing I'm going to do is build my foundation. So I'm going to build this in two parts. It's going to be two parts that are 10 foot by 12 foot. And then when you put them together, it's going to be 20 foot by 12 foot. Now I'm taking a tape measure and I'm marking out 16 on center. And this is where my joists are going to go. Right now, I'm securing these with screws. It's tightening them up really well, but I am going to go back and put joist hangers on every single one once I get everything put together. So now that I got the first section all done, I'm going to go ahead and get it set up on these center blocks here. I'm going to get these center blocks all leveled off, get it all squared, and then we're going to work on the second one. So I have my 12 by 10 frame right here. This is just half of the shed, okay? So I'm doing it in two sections. There's going to be two 12 by 10s put together, and that is going to make a 12 by 20. So I have to build another one just like it, which I started, and that's what it's going to look like when it's all done. So this one here, I went and I leveled it off. I put cinder blocks. I had to dig some of them in the ground, so it's sitting on blocks on all the corners and in the middles. And everything is level. This one's completely level. It's squared. To get a square, you run a tape measure from one corner to the other, get the measurement, and then from that corner to this corner, you should have the same measurement. That's how you get it all squared. If you have to adjust it, you may have to, pull this left or right depending on, what you need. So anyways, I got that one all leveled off. Everything looks great. So once I get this one all built and get it all leveled off and squared up on blocks, I'm going to go back, I'm going to put joist hangers on every single joist, and that'll really help support this. So there you have it. I have both sides built. I went ahead and I pushed this side up against it. Now it's not nailed together yet. It's not bolted. It's just sitting there until I get this side squared off and leveled. So I have to adjust these cinder blocks, get everything perfect, and then I'll go back and I'll nail it, and I'll put lag bolts all the way down the middle. I'm also going to put blocking down the middle on each of them just to really support this, and then also my joist hangers. And after that, we should be ready for plywood. That is 20 foot by 12 foot. Pretty big shed. And then just for extra support and peace of mind, I'm going to stagger some 4x4 posts with concrete, and I'm going to bolt these all down. I'm just going to put them all over the place just for, extra support in the floor. So now I'm going to be joining these two together
using these big lag bolts and some nuts and washers on them. These are actually a little bit too long. I bought these for the deck, but I think it's going to work for this. All right, now I went and I did all my blocking on both of them. Then I added extra 4x4 supports. There's one there, there's one there, one at the end. Same thing, there's 3 going down the middle, and plus on the sides. There's one there and one in the back. So same thing on this side, just for extra support. Everything's bolted together. We are now ready for plywood.
So I am using 3/4 inch plywood, which is your basic plywood for like a subfloor or something. That's what I chose to go with so I can roll around my toolboxes. I don't have to worry about anything falling through the floor. It's just the safer option.
All right, you guys just watched me do the entire foundation. So this shed foundation is now finished. We can get up here, walk around. Looks pretty good.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed part 1 of my shed build. Remember to check out part 2. You guys are going to see me do the framing and actually get these walls standing up. It's going to look amazing. Hope to see you guys over there. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.